Good day, everyone. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Mrs. Esiorene Love. In this channel, I teach Robo language to both kids and adults. I want you to subscribe to my channel and watch my video to enable you speak Urhobo language, to enable you read Urhobo language, and also to write Urhobo language. Today, I am going to teach names of things with Urhobo vowel sound. Name of things with Urhobo vowel sound. So let's go to the board. And I also want to let you know that all Urhobo proper nouns always begin with vowel sound. As we progress, you discover that all of them begin with vowel sound. So let me write the names of things in Urhobo language and also write them in English language. So let's go to the board. Àmì, ako, aka, agbára, àmì is water. Ako, ako is teeth. Aka, aka is bitter kola. I am through with the writing of the words, names of things with Urhobo vowel sound. I've written them in Urhobo language and also in English language. So you are familiar with this. The vowels A, E, I, O, U. So you will see that when we are going to pronounce the words, you will hear the sound of the vowels in the words in Urhobo language. For example, Àmì. You heard the sound of A in Àmì. Number 2, Ako. You also hear the sound of A in Ako. Then number 3 here we have Aka. You can also hear the sound of A in Aka. Then the last one here we have Agbára. You can also hear the sound of Agbára. Sound of A in Agbára. So these are not the only words. We are just giving example of the vowels of A. So Àmì is water. Ako is teeth. Aka is bitter kola. Agbára is chair. Follow me so that you understand it very well and know it very well. Then A, example of vowel A, we have Erako, we have Ehara, we also have ego. These are just examples. We have so many more. Erako in English is dog. Ehara in English is umbrella. Then ego in English is bottles. Then we are going to vowel e. Vowel e. We have example of eche. We have example of eto. We also have example of ere. There are so many, as I said. We are just giving examples. Eche in English language is door. Eto in English language is hair. Ere in English language is goat. And when you pronounce it ere, it becomes cola. Ere, it becomes cola. Ere, it is goat. So it depends on how you pronounce it. Ere, goat. Ere, cola. One word standing for two words. Then vowel e. Vowel e. Iribo, iku, iho. Iribo, iku, iho. Iribo is pepper. Iku is crayfish. Iho is money. Iribo is pepper. Iku is crayfish. Iho is money. We are going to vowel O. Vowel O, we have example of oda, oda, oja, oze, oto, oda, oja, oze, oto. Oda in English is cutlass. Oja in English is soap. Oze in English is basin. And oto in English is land. I repeat it again. Oda in English language is cutlass. Oja in English language is soap. Oze is basin. And oto is land. So I'm going to vowel o. Vowel o. We have example of oho. Another example, one, ore, oka, oho, one, ore, oka. Oho means chicken. Oho means chicken. One in English language is yam. Ore in English is plantain. Oka in English language is corn. I take it again. Oho is chicken. One is yam. Ore is plantain. Oka is corn. The last vowel letter. Vowel U. Vowel U. Example: Urukpe, Unoke, Ugbenu, Ukokodia, Urukpe, Unoke, Ugbenu, Ikokodia. Now, Urukpe is light. Unoke is clock. Ugbenu is hill. Ukokodia is coconut. I know you have been following me and the lesson has been very interesting. Let's just run through it again. Ame, water. Ako, teeth. Aka, bitter kola. Agbara, share. Erako, dog. Ehara, umbrella. Ego, bottles. Eche, door. Eto, hair. Ere, goat. Iribo, pepper. Iku, crayfish. Igo, money. Oda, cutlass. Oja, soap. Oze, basin. Oto, land. Oho, chicken. One, yam. Ore, plantain. Oka, corn. Urukpe, light. Unoke, clock. Ugbenu, hill. Ukokodia, coconut. These are examples of things in Urhobo vowel sound. I want you to learn it, know them, know the spellings, be able to read them, and be able to write them. I want you to subscribe to this channel that you will know exactly what we are doing. We don't want our language to go into extinction, and that is why I am into this channel, so that we will be able to speak our language, we'll be able to write our language, we'll be able to read our language. Isi agwario, yeah.